So yung one follow-up question ko po sa itong unang round ko, hindi naman po nagkulang ang pagbabala, hindi lang ng iisang tao but several people, about the structural design niyang subdivision ng Darais at Monterasa. And their warnings were that this would endanger the environment around the development and the community at the bottom of that mountain. So now, after the storms, after the floods, it's coming out na there were not just one but several, even many violations. So una po, my last question for this round. Sino po ba yung nagbulag-bulagan sa DENR at DNR-EMB para mag-grant yung environmental compliance certificate nito? Yes, Mr. Chair, Ma'am Abrera.
Hello, Your Honor. Sa nagbulag-bulagan, hindi ko po masasagot yan. Ang isisi po ng Monterasa has gone through the whole process of EIA. Kompleto po yan, public scoping, technical reviews. It has undergone 4 technical reviews instead of 3. And then public hearing. Then there is an independent body which recommended for the approval. So 2007 and 2024 po siya.
In closing for my first round, Mr. Chair, before I give way to Senator Pangilinan, hindi ko po matanggap na hindi nyo masagot sa nangyari at sa scale niya, sa tindi niya. By now, you should be gathering some answers, hindi lang para sa publiko, pati para sa department ninyo moving forward.